on your teeth, and then good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah.
A good boy, big guy. I got to have this playtime. The toothbrush.
Yes, we're opening a toothbrush. Can we see? That's the that's the soft bristle toothbrush for kids. And this is for, can I see please? This is for 1 to 6 year old. Or is it 1 to 3 year old? For him. So Jaden is 2 and then Melvin is 5. But this will be for Jaden. Yes. Yours is coming. Can we open it? Take. Ring around the says. Good job. Jaden one side. So that is how it is with. Yes, take. Don't trash it yet. Hold on. Let's make sure. So this is a very soft bristle. Thank you, Melvin. Very soft bristle toothbrush. I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay. Let's wash it first and put some toothpaste. So I put some toothpaste there from the toothpaste dispenser. I was looking for the safe to swallow, but it looks like it's finished, so we use the normal one. All right. See, you have to open your mouth. Open your mouth. You have to open it all the way in. Chew it down. Chew it down on your teeth. Bite down on your teeth, and then good boy.
Good boy.
Yes. Yes, you bite down. Don't put it on one side. And then you go side to side. That's how you do it. This is going to need some adjustment, because it's just chewing on it. So I'm going to have to drop the camera and hold it properly for him. You know, you can hold it with your hands. Good boy. Yes. My goodness. Well, you guys get the idea.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Yeah, bye bye.